welcome to Westchester Hills Golf Club. We got a beautiful day here for some golf. The format today is a scramble. Each player will hit a tee shot. You'll select the best shot. Each player will play from that spot in. The process is repeated until the ball is holed. Closest to the pin on hole number 3 and hole number 16. Long drive for both men and women on number 4. We've got a hole-in-one car on hole number 5. We've got a Beat the Pro contest against myself on number 16. And we've got Michael Leadis, long drive competitor on number 8. He's got a little trip to give away. You'll also get to use his long drive on that short par 5. Hopefully we see a few eagles and maybe a double eagle for the trip. We've got a shark chipping contest going on hole number 1. And that's what we've got for skill prizes today. Other than that, let's have fun. Have a great day out there, everybody. And thank you, everybody, for supporting this wonderful charity. We appreciate you all showing up today.